What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Dr.Fluffypants from the Garten of Banban. Let's begin today's lesson at the very top of our page in the middle with the nose. We're going to start over on the left. Let's draw a curve that goes up in the middle and then bend that back down towards the right. Now you want to round out the side of the nose. We're going to curve this around and in. And then we want to give the bottom edge of the nose a slight bend going up and then down. Let's fill the inside of the nose in black. Let's give our character a large smile. So we're just going to line up with the center of the nose over towards the left. Just going to bend this down the middle, go across, and then back up towards the right. And then we'll add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's connect the nose to the mouth with a straight line coming down. Now you want to add two large teeth on either side. So let's start from the corner of the mouth, come down and bend that in, go up and bend that in towards the top. Let's go to the right and do the same thing. So you just balance this out. I'm going to add one more tooth along the inside. Now from the corners of the mouth, we want to step up and add a fold along the bottom of the eye. So on the left side, we're going to bend this up, come down in towards the nose, and do the same thing on the right. Let's tuck the eyes in behind the cheeks. On the left side, we're going to step in. Let's draw a circle, going all the way around. And just tuck that in on the inside. And do the same thing on the right. And we want to have a little bit of an overlap along the inside and the outside. Let's add two small circles in the center of each eye for the pupils. And we'll fill those in black. Now along the top, we're going to draw two smaller circles for another set of eyes. So start on the top left, going all the way around. Let's line this up on the right. Let's add two smaller circles in the center for the pupils. And then we'll fill those in black. Let's go back to the center, just underneath the mouth. Let's step down and draw a curve for the lower lip, coming down and up. Now that we've drawn in the face, let's move out to the side and draw the top of the head. From the bottom, step out towards the left, and curve this up above the eyes, round out the top of the head, go across, and then bend that down towards the right, towards the same height. Let's add two large ears on either side. So we're just going to line up with the eyes, bend this up, and then out. And then from the outside, we're going to bend this down and then in towards the side of the head. Now we want to add the horns along the top. Let's start back over on the left. We're going to bend this out, round up the horn and pull that in. Let's line this up on the right, going out, around, and then in. Let's go back to the left side. I'm just going to taper this so it gets wider as we come down and back in towards the side of the head. Now before we get into the arms, let's move to the center of the body and draw that large heart. In the center, let's step down, start with a point. Now let's start with the left side. We're going to go up, round at the heart, come down. I'm just going to bend that in towards the center. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the right side. Going up towards the same height, round up the side, and then pull that in towards the middle. Let's add a fold in the center of the chest, starting from the left, bend this up, and then down. Now from the heart, we're going to move out and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left. We're going to bend this down, and then in towards the hip, just lining up with the bottom point of the heart. Line up the top on the right, come down, and then in. From this bottom point, we're going to step down and add a curve, going across the inside of the legs. And we'll leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, then the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Let's go to the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet and add 3 toes on either side. So let's start from the left heel, bend this down and then up. Now on the left side, I'm just going to curl the toe, coming around and then in. Let's layer 2 more toes on either side. Starting from the bottom left, going around and then in. Step out and draw that again. And go up above the foot and in. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. And bend this out, come down and in on top of the feet. Now let's go back to the side of the body and draw the inside edge of the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, then the arm coming down and out towards the elbow, line it up on the right. Now from the elbow, bend the arm coming down and then in towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle coming in and out for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now let's layer 3 fingers underneath that thumb. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to come down and up around that bracket. Step down, come down and up with the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to go out and just bend that up towards the elbow. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down and then up. And the second finger. And then the third going up towards the elbow. Now I'm going to go back over towards the left side. I'm going to bend the arm, going up and in, sort of aiming towards the bottom of the head. And then along the top, we're just going to bend that up towards the side, leaving a little overlap along the bottom of the head. So do the same thing on the right. And once we're done, we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's Dr.Fluffypants from the Garden of Banban. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more Banban characters, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.